In this video, I'll show you how to use GitHub Codespaces for beginners. Start by signing into your GitHub account and opening the repository you want to work on. GitHub Codespaces allows you to create a cloud-based development environment directly from your GitHub repository, so you can write, edit, and run code without setting up everything on your local computer. Once you're inside the repository, click the Code button near the top of the page. In the menu that appears, select the Codespaces tab. Next, click Create Codespace on Main or select the branch you want to use. GitHub will begin creating your cloud development environment. This process may take a few moments while the workspace is prepared. After that, the Codespace will open in a browser-based version of Visual Studio Code. You'll see your repository files in the Explorer panel on the left, just like you would in the desktop version of VS Code. Now, take a moment to explore the interface. You can open files, edit code, create new files, and manage your project directly from the browser. Any changes you make are saved within the Codespace environment. Next, open a file and begin making changes. As you type, you can use features such as syntax highlighting, extensions, source control integration, and GitHub Copilot if it's enabled on your account. After that, open the integrated terminal by selecting Terminal and then New Terminal from the menu. The terminal allows you to run commands, install dependencies, start applications, and perform development tasks just as you would on a local machine. Now, if your project requires dependencies, use the terminal to install them. For example, you can run package manager commands, install libraries, or start development servers depending on the technology stack you're using. Once your application is running, GitHub Codespaces can automatically detect open ports. If a web application starts, GitHub may provide a forwarded URL that allows you to preview the application directly from your browser. Next, save your work and commit your changes. Open the source control panel in the sidebar, review your modifications, enter a commit message, and commit the changes. After that, click Sync Changes or push to upload your commits back to the GitHub repository. This ensures your updates are stored in GitHub and available to your team. Now, if you stop working for the day, you can simply close the browser tab. Your code space remains available, and you can return later and continue where you left off. Finally, remember to stop or delete code spaces that you're no longer using. This helps manage your available resources and prevents unnecessary usage of your code spaces allocation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use GitHub Codespaces for beginners. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.